Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back or to the channel. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys why your tailgate does not work and how to get it to work. Alright, so this is what my tailgate does. You can lift the handle all you want, but it doesn't do nothing. Now usually I can grab a hold of the top of it and pull it and it'll come down, but the little rods actually came off of the inside, so we're going to replace it. The reason why mine doesn't work is because the spring right here is actually froze up because it's like extremely rusty. I actually took it off and tried to clean it with a wire brush and sprayed it with some lubricant to try to break it up, but like it just gets stuck. So if your tailgate handle gets stuck like that, then odds are it's the spring. So what you do is take your nails up under this right here, pull this out, and then you want to do the same for the bottom. Probably do the bottom first, and then it just slides out like that, and then boom. And then put this over here right next to our new door handle. And these are the springs I was telling you guys about. Here's the clips, they fall off of that. Actually, mine didn't fall off, I just took mine off, I lied to you guys. But you take these and you squeeze them. I guess I gotta do it with my strong hand. But you just grab them, squeeze them together like this. Okay, hang on. All right, I wasn't getting a good enough grip on it. All right, so I have a Phillips head here and one here. Check this out, dude. Look at that, it's brand new. You can still see the flakes in it and all, dude. That's crazy. But what you want to do now is grab your Allen keys. I have the White Panther toolbox. It comes with everything. So you just want to, I think it's the middle one. I don't know what spec this is, but you just grab it and you loosen them up. If for some reason these strip out and you can't get them loose, you can take a pipe wrench. What I did, because this one wouldn't come loose, I put a bunch of tape around here and I took a pipe wrench and then I got it loose. If a bolt won't come loose and you can get a pipe wrench in there, dude, it works every time because it tightens up as you pull it. So get these out and then it'll just fall out just like that. So I need to take one of these off right here and put it on this because one's missing. But yeah, go ahead and do that. So here comes the part that I'm not going to be able to film, but what you want to do is grab your door handle and you slide it up and inside of there, and then you want to put one bolt on the back and then you hook these up inside of the plastic things. I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so I got my new tailgate handle in, and I mean, it works. I don't like that, but it's still not. It's like it's not pulling it close enough, because when you, damn it, when you look at here, it's not pulling it in far enough. So, but it's lifting up really high, but it's not pulling these in close enough. Alright, you guys, I found out what the problem was. So this right here was actually replaced with a bolt and a nut and 2 washers, and the original one, it's a rivet, so can't use that because I would have to drill that out, and that's just not ideal. So I'm gonna have to pull this out. It's mushroomed and it's also stripped. I was tightening it up and it was getting tight and then loosening up. So I gotta remove this and replace it with another screw, and should be able to put it back together. When I was looking at the handle, I noticed that this was down right here, and these metal tabs are supposed to be lined up with these right here. They're supposed to be inside of this. So when I saw that, I'm like, yep, that's not right. So I want to be on the hunt for a freaking screw. All right, you guys, found out what the problem is. So I ended up replacing the piece that was in here with an Allen screw, and still doesn't work. So this time it's not even pulling it. Like when it was open, I pulled it and I pulled them together and I was able to shut it, but now it won't do nothing. So I need to take this off and take it back to the junkyard. All right, well, that's all I got for this video. I guess I'll see you guys when I replace this damn thing again. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.